Yo guys, welcome back to another trading recap. Okay, just making sure I have the right mic. So yeah, today we took a trade and we got wicked out sadly, but um again, right idea, good execution. Honestly, I think this was a good trade and it was realistic to get stopped out like this, or uh, not realistic, but like I think it was fine. I'm about to explain why, I guess. So let's just hop into this. So we took a long, first of all. So um let's see real quick. I know there was news 9:45. Yeah, so we got news. So this is pretty bullish right here. This is pretty bullish news. Slightly bearish. But the fact this is pretty bullish, I'm just gonna go with a bullish bias for news. Specifically for news, we got a bullish bias. Yeah, so that is at 9:45. So where is that? Like right. Oh, we can mark it out. Um, let's mark it out real quick. 3, 4, 5. Bang. Okay, so we got news on this blue line right here, and the reason. So first of all, I marked out this session high right here, and I marked out the session low. So we have both those marked out. Um, so yeah, originally I kind of wanted to be bearish just because we were kind of like in equilibrium here, and then we also, I mean these lows we can take out, but we were not. The news was really my final, I guess, thing. I was like, yeah, well, we're gonna need to go probably longs today. So yeah, first of all, I wanted to trade on ES because we were closer to this drawn liquidity right here, high time frame liquidity. So I didn't want to take it on ES instead of NQ. And there was SMT divergence. I'm pretty sure somewhere here. Jeez, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to spot it. It's like, let's see, low here, and then we got a low here. So I think it was this here. Yes, okay. So we also have 5 minute SMT on the 5 minute. We have SMT. We got a lower low on ES, and on NQ we have a higher low. Um, so yeah, bullish SMT on the 5 minute, which is really good to see. Um, I don't really like using 15-minute SMT. I realize I haven't really been looking for that as much. I think 5 minute is like the perfect SMT whatever time frame. But also I will use a 1 minute if it's like, I don't know. I'll explain it when we take a trade off 1 minute SMT. But yeah, so we have bullish 5 minute SMT for ES. We're coming up to this Asian session high right here. I think it was also, yes, at the time it should have been a daily high for the candle so far. Um I guess it didn't close though, so it doesn't count. But this was the Asian session high right here. So I was like, okay, let's wait for news. I was definitely going to wait for news since it was 15 minutes into market open. So we get news off of this candle, and I go and look, and we see, boom, bullish news, okay? So I'm hoping for, bullish reaction here. And, dude, this was actually really, like, pretty good. So we literally had, like, a bearish reaction at the start, and sometimes that happens because, we're setting up for longs. Since it was bullish, we're setting up for longs here. Boom, bearish reaction. We come down, sweep this low time frame liquidity on the 1 minute, sweep that real quick, make this fair value gap, right? And then bang, we inverse it. So then I'm like, okay, BPR right here. I want to see this get tapped into, and I want to see a clean reaction. So boom, gets tapped into, nice rejection. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna enter with one con, and we're gonna have this would have been like first TP, quote unquote, if I was doing it with multiple, but we were gonna have this high time frame liquidity that I thought we were gonna come up to as my take profit there, and we set our stops below this BPR, and I think it was a very generous amount below. So yeah, sadly we pretty much just got wicked out here. Not sure what this is. It's probably like something 5-minute gap, 15-minute gap. Wait, I want to see. Oh yeah, okay, 15-minute gap here, but that's irrelevant for this trade. So yeah, I mean it's pretty sad. Dude, we literally boom, got wicked out, and then bang, we came all the way up here, retested this fair value gap we made right here, retested that, clean, smooth reaction, bang, took out our take profit, and our take profit was really good because as you can see, I mean, we hit this and then we just rejected off. So that was the perfect take profit. But yeah, I mean, okay, realistically, I'm not gonna have my stops all the way down here. That's just unrealistic, and I don't think. I guess I could have put them like. Let's delete this line. I guess I could have put them like here maybe. That would have been a 1-to-1, but another thing I was thinking is I could start using no SL because I mean the only way I would have gotten out of this is if it would have closed below the fair value gap. As you can see, we didn't close below. So that's what or this BPR, my bad. So we didn't close below the BPR. So I could have had no stop loss, which isn't the worst idea, but I'm I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna continue to have stop losses, but I mean, cause it could have dumped a ton. You never know, I guess. Um, I'm trying to think like. Okay, actually, I have a new idea. So I'm not sure like when it was all the way down here, but if it was like down, it got to like down here, right? And there was like 15 seconds left, maybe like 10 to 15 seconds left on the candle. I could have moved my SL like down here, and see if it would have closed below it. But at the same time, like I don't think I should be doing that. And yeah, it's just pretty unfortunate we got wicked out. I mean, right idea, good execution. I would not have. I mean, this is kind of this is a really big stop. I don't know why I would have that. I think my stop was fine. So yeah, I mean, it's just whatever. It's just one of those days. We didn't have the best price action, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow if I make a trade. We're down. We were down like 270 since I'm recording this at 9 p.m. It's reset, but we're down like 270, so it's whatever. Yeah, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. We always got the next day, next week, next month. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow if I trade.